What up, lug nuts? A customer called, said he disconnected his battery a while back, and when he reconnected it, he's got a no start. He said it's cranking over, but nothing's happening. So I quoted him my diag fee. I'm with the wifey right now. I'm gonna go get her breakfast, and then I'm gonna head on over there.
Alright guys, so when I got here, the customer had the truck running, and I shut it off to check for a steering fluid leak. And then when I went to go turn it back on, it wouldn't start again. And it's only running when I press the accelerator, and it won't idle. So that leads me to believe it's the intake air control sensor, or a fuel pump pressure issue. Alrighty guys, we got the new AIC sensor. We're gonna install it and fire her up. So we got the new IAC sensor on. Let's button everything up and try to start her over. There we go, folks. All right, guys, so we fixed the customer's no idle issue. It was just the intake air sensor. It went bad, so I replaced it, and she's running fine now. Call or text the number on screen for a free consultation or to book your appointment today. Peace.